coffee from a waitress I ain't ever met. She asked, "You just passing through?" A smile and said, "I don't know yet." I walked around the town square, down the street to where I met the preacher and the old courthouse man. Yeah, nothing helps, you start again.